Hi, this is Jane Celia Hatch, Bethesda Star, Targeted Shaman. I'm at the beach at Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I believe it's Thursday morning. Pristine, animated, radiated, psychedelic earth. Feeling her revitalization, in part, I think, due to the diminishing amount of travel, air travel, train, car, people out. But there's something else going on, very internal. It feels like there's a major cleansing on the planet. The horizon looks different to me. It's almost like you can see the curve of the earth recently. I don't know what that is about. You don't get much more spectacular than this scene. The sun sparkling. This is a bay or inlet in Orleans. It's still Brewster. But I wanted to talk for a minute about some of the prophecies I've received and the visions I've had over the last several years. Well, beginning decades ago, but more lately, as far as time, 2 weeks ago even, I was given a vision of more changes to come, earth changes that are going to make a lot of the things we're talking about now obsolete. Politics, the media, the coronavirus. It's going to be something of the past. We're going to move into fifth world, according to the Hopi. The ancient Peruvian shamans believe the West is going to, America is going to become the new spiritual center of the world, and the East will become the economic center. And what I've seen in my own visions is communities prospering, becoming independent of government, gardening's flourishing, the earth flourishing again. I call it psychedelic earth because my memories as a child, when there was still, the earth was still very infused with a certain primal energy. It felt psychedelic, and I do believe that they call shamanism a technique of ecstasy. It's because you do access the frequencies of the earth and Gaia, and it is ecstasy. I sometimes think some of the acids that were used in the 60s, they actually just opened your brain to what's already in there while you're on planet Earth. In other words, you're accessing your intimate connection with Mother Earth that's accessible in other vibrations.